This is a perfectly boiled egg. It's not boiled yet, but it's boiled.
It will be. If we can ever.
Hey listeners, welcome back to 8-Bit Talk. Today we're doing the first ever face reveal podcast on 8-Bit Talk.
Yep, we're totally gonna start showing our faces in these podcasts from now on.
Possibly.
We might even do some faceless podcasts.
Once in a while.
Once in a while.
Yeah.
Don't worry about him.
Huh?
Anyway, off topic. Okay, anyways. So today we're gonna be diving into the science of a perfect boiled egg.
Egg. We have an egg here.
Yeah, we do. We have two.
We're supposed to have 3,
Yeah.
But Zach couldn't eat one, so
he doesn't want to.
I want
Anyway,
like eggs.
first we're gonna be boiling the egg in the perfect method, and the other one we're gonna boil it the way normal people boil it.
Yes.
So we're gonna see the differences.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna be talking about why, the
Make
science
sure
behind
to
it.
like and subscribe.
Otherwise,
We will send the IRS.
no, don't say that.
This
No.
is a kid's show.
First, we're gonna be boiling an egg. What's that there?
It's in the stove.
Get that egg. So we're gonna be boiling 2 eggs. One the normal way, and the other the scientifically.
Approved way.
Yeah.
Which is 32 minutes. We're gonna be sitting here and waiting for that egg to boil.
It's very fun.
Very nice.
It's like watching paint.
Very
Right?
interesting.
Anyway, so after we do that, we're going to be talking about why the scientifically approved way is the perfect way to boil the egg. Because that's what we do. Okay. So first, we're going to be boiling the normal egg.
First.
Normal egg.
Yeah, we're just gonna be cooking 5
The
to
normal
6
way.
minutes. It's gonna be like 30 seconds for you guys though.
Yep.
Lucky you.
Okay. So step 1, put the egg into the water
Into a pan.
and
with
try
water.
to keep your hands dry.
From information from a cousin, we have deciphered that if the egg floats all the way down to the bottom of the pan, sinks all the way to the bottom of the pan, it is a good egg. I don't know if that's factually correct, but I heard it, I'm believing it.
Yes. Okay. So you have to subscribe before the egg boils, which will be pretty easy considering that 2, 1.
One.
That button must be gray by now.
Bro, turn on the stove.
It's on, bro.
It's not on.
Okay, we're back. Yeah, we moved to the pan.
We moved the pan.
to a different location.
Stove doesn't work.
Should work now.
Okay. So the next step is to start the stove and
On the
start
gas.
boiling it.
Yes,
Don't do this yourself. Don't blow up the pan.
Yeah. We have
I swear.
experience blowing up pans. It works. Okay. Wait.
Okay, now we wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're
eggs
back.
been cooked.
The egg's been cooked. Let's take it out of the thing. Can you see this?
So the next step is you want to take this egg, your boiling egg, out of the pan, put it into a nice container for it to be in. Very careful. Okay.
Okay. So
this is egg. We're just gonna let it cool. We're gonna try it and see the difference between those two at the same time. We're gonna open them both at the same time. Okay. So now we're gonna try boiling the 32-minute egg. It's gonna be a while.
32 minutes. Does anyone have a timer?
Maybe 5 seconds for you. I have my phone. Timer.
Get the phone. Oh, okay. Not you. What do you want?
Oh, he left the grab.
Does that come back? Come back. Okay.
So we're gonna set a timer.
time this thing. We need to change this water out.
Yeah, we do. We do need to send the water out because a mosquito fell in the water.
No, it did not.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I did. Look. Wanna see?
Nothing. Oh,
It's a mosquito.
Okay. So we're gonna set a timer for 32 minutes.
that's crazy.
Okay. The moment we put it in, I'm starting this timer. 32 minutes.
Change it to 31 minutes
Why?
because this is already very hot pan.
31 minutes. 31.
31 minutes. It's already cooked.
The egg. 31 minutes. Wait, on the heat.
Not on the heat yet.
Yep. Starting now. Wait, didn't start. Now. Timer started.
Okay, now we wait. Does anyone chance get chat?
So, wait. Anyone got a joke?
How do I put this?
Okay, we'll be back. Bye.
So, while this egg is being boiled, let's talk about why this is the scientifically proven way to perfectly boil an egg.
Yep. A study, which was published in the Journal of Communications Engineering, claims that the novel approach produces an egg that is more nutritious and cooked evenly than shell and eggs made with conventional boiling or sous vide
Sous vide.
methods.
Not weed.
Sous vide. Sous vide.
Sous vide.
Sous vide
I'm
methods.
probably butchering that. Anyway, continue, Zach.
In chicken eggs, the yolk and the white are cooked at different temperatures. The yolk is cooked at 65 degrees Celsius, while the white is cooked at a much higher temperature. The white of the eggs are cooked sous vide, which involves cooking them at temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Celsius in a bath water.
Water bath. Bath water. Is that what it says?
We'll keep that in.
Yeah, we're keeping everything. Oh,
That's fine.
you're breaking the fourth wall there, Yafi.
The white of the eggs is cooked sous vide, which involves cooking them at temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Celsius in a water bath for an hour.
The simulation suggested a method that consists of alternating an egg between a pan of boiling water kept at 100 degrees Celsius and a bowl of water kept at 30 degrees Celsius, transferring the egg between one another every 2 minutes for a total duration of 32 minutes. We're not doing that correctly, are we?
No, we're not. That might be a problem.
It's fine. So basically what you're supposed to do is you need a thermometer.
Alternated between.
Alternated between.
Two pans. So at this point in time, the time is probably over, close to ending. So, bye.
And we're back.
We're back, listeners. The egg has boiled and
time is
half the water, more than half of the water is evaporated. Three
I don't know
quarters
if you
in
can
fact.
see the time, but it's been 31 minutes.
So now
Now we're gonna
take the egg out.
Can I take it out?
Turn. I first turn off the heat.
Yeah, turn off
Your
the
turn.
heat.
Okay.
Turn the heat off and then wait a little bit for the.
So we have the perfectly normal boiled egg, and then we have the
Yes.
perfectly
Get an ice
scientific.
bath.
We need an ice bath. So that's another time lapse.
It's not a time lapse. We just get an ice bath.
Okay. Ice bath.
So we get a bowl. Bowl.
Too small.
Yeah, this is fine. Same
This
thing.
one will put both of them.
Okay.
Egg feels weird.
Keep this thing now. So now we have the egg here. It's in this pan. You can't really see it.
Take it out. What does it feel like?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Can I look at the grab? Can I feel it?
What do you mean? It's a hard shell.
Did you get the ice, Zach? Pour in
Get
some
the
water.
ice.
Yep. We need some more.
We'll be back in a minute. Okay, and we're back again. We're back again.
One spotlet.
Ice bath.
Ice bath.
Yafi, look at the camera, please.
Sorry,
Ice
camera.
bath.
I'm looking at you.
Not,
Okay.
not the camera, the viewers. Look at this. Look at the listeners, viewers.
That's wrong.
Now look at the smart treatment this egg is getting. I can't even show it.
Treatment.
Can I like slip the egg?
No, the phone's gonna fall.
I want that pepper.
Sorry if you fall, listeners. Not my fault.
Keep the egg in there. Keep the egg in there. Keep the egg down.
Fully submerged.
You can't
Put an
fully
ice cube on top of it.
something in it.
Careful. Crack it.
Bro, it's a fully boiled egg.
We don't want it for sure.
Okay, now we're gonna open the eggs.
The first egg. So this is
the
how you would normally cook an egg.
boiled egg. So, can you see that? Hold the camera again. Don't fall.
And it fell. Hi listeners, you're on the ground now.
So here, we're gonna open the egg up. Just like,
Oh.
Be careful.
there we go. It's cracked.
Don't hit
Cracked
it.
indeed.
So here's the egg. It's boiled.
Yeah.
See, I'm not really
I'm
good at.
getting it loose.
It doesn't look very appetizing,
It's not.
but we're gonna cut it in half now. So can you get a different plate, please?
Knife in.
Not knife. Not a knife.
Yes, and
Just use that plate.
No, it's egg-shelled. Get egg-shells in here, bro. Okay.
yeah, please.
Okay, so we're gonna put that down and grab a butter knife. Not a real knife, please. Okay. And
Truth. Voila. That is a perfectly normal
how the inside looks.
boiled egg.
That is a normal boiled egg.
Do eat it. Go to eat it.
Do you want to eat it? I can eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Do you want it?
Okay.
Do you want it?
Bon appetit.
Petite.
Tastes like a normal boiled egg. I know.
Now let's see that. Somewhat very scientifically made
It's hot.
egg.
It's hot.
Let's
Upside
get
down
the-
it. Upside down it.
Let's get the spa treatment egg.
Yeah, is it done?
Eggshell.
That is your perfectly scientific egg.
It looks.
It is
It looks
steaming.
the same and it's steaming from the
Same.
inside.
I think we did it wrong, but
Did it wrong. Luke can eat that. I don't want to eat that. It's really different.
It's very different.
Oh. But it might not taste different, but it has more nutritional value.
If you do it the correct way.
Yep. It's hotter. Cause we just... Yeah, it's hotter. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of the podcast. Okay. So
Eggshell.
now I guess you know how to cook a perfect egg. See you next time on 8-Bit Talk.
bye.
Stay curious.
Stay curious.
Bye.
Eggshell.
This is actually not tasting very different. Oh wait, we didn't taste it. Oh, bye.